Have you seen the viral horse gelatin trick all over TikTok and YouTube? Millions of people are searching for this unusual drink,
claiming it supports men's wellness, circulation, and overall vitality. But what exactly is it, and why has it become one of the fastest-growing health trends online? Let's separate the facts from the hype. Despite its name, the horse gelatin trick isn't made from horses. It's simply a drink made with unflavored gelatin, hot water, and in some versions, baking soda and lemon juice. Most of the claimed benefits come from viral social media trends, not strong scientific evidence. Here's the viral horse gelatin trick recipe that's been widely shared across TikTok, YouTube, and wellness blogs. It takes about 5 minutes to prepare. You'll need 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, 1/4 cup of cold water, and 3/4 cup of hot water. Optional ingredients include baking soda, lemon juice, or honey for flavor. Bloom the gelatin in cold water for a few minutes. Add hot water and stir until fully dissolved. Mix in the optional ingredients if desired, then drink it while it's still warm. The horse gelatin trick is a viral trend, but its health claims haven't been proven by strong scientific research. Think of it as a simple gelatin drink, not a miracle solution.